How to enable cookies on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to enable cookies on iPhone. So let's begin. The very first step is to open your settings app and make sure that your iOS is up to date. So if not, go to General and then go to Software Update and also make sure that you have a working internet connection. So to do that, you should have connected your phone to your Wi-Fi or your mobile data. So if you have a setting like this, make sure to click on download and install first before proceeding with the next steps. Assuming that now you have updated your iPhone, what you're going to do now is to go back to settings and then scroll down until you can see Safari. So before we proceed, do take note that you may only customize the cookies of Safari in the settings. So if you want to enable the cookies on Google Chrome, then make sure to go ahead on Google Chrome and change the settings right there. So once you're in Safari inside the settings, then you may scroll down and look for the privacy and security option right here. So under privacy and security, you may be able to see the hide IP address and also the block all cookies. So to make sure that you have enabled the cookies on your iPhone, then make sure to turn off the block all cookies option. So to do that, click on the rightmost part of the toggle button and then it would indicate that you have enabled the cookies if the toggle button will turn into gray and not green. So that's it. That's how you can enable cookies on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.